If Windows keeps crashing with the critical process died blue screen, don't panic. In this video, I'm gonna show you the exact step to fix it and get Windows running normally again. First, you will just restart your computer for several times using physical power button until it get into the recovery mode. Now here, just select Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced Options, then go to Startup Settings. Now click on Restart. Now in the screen, simply press F4 to get into safe mode. Put a password, hit enter. Now we are into the safe mode. Right click on the start button, select Terminal Admin. Now type this command, sfc /scannow, and press enter. Now here wait until the scan reaches 100%. If Windows finds corrupted files, it will attempt to repair them automatically. Now in the same administrator terminal, run these commands one at a time. DISM /online /cleanup-image /RestoreHealth, and press enter. Let it finish completely. When it's 100% completed, then run the SFC again. Type sfc /scannow and hit enter. Restart your PC after the scan is completed. Now again, right click on the start menu, select Terminal Admin. Now type this command, CHKDSK C:/F and press enter. Windows may ask you to schedule the scan for next restart. Type Y and hit enter. Now you just close it, then restart your PC and let the disk check finish. If the blue screen started after installing a new driver, open Device Manager. Just press Windows X, select Device Manager, look for the device you recently updated. Select it, right click on it, go to Properties, then go to Driver tab. If available, select Rollback Driver. You can also install the latest driver directly from PC or hardware manufacturer website. If the problem started after installing a new program, update or system utility, uninstall the recent software and restart Windows. Don't install random driver fix or BSOD fixer programs. They can create additional problems. If the blue screen started recently and the previous step didn't help, go to Settings and search for Point-in-Time Restore. Go to Point-in-Time Restore. Click View or Edit. If Windows asks for permission, click on Yes. If available, choose a restore point before the problem started and follow the instructions. Your personal files won't be removed, but applications and drivers installed after the restore point may be affected. If critical process died continues after all the steps, the problem could involve a serious Windows installation issue, hardware failure, or faulty memory. At that point, back up your important files and use Windows Recovery to reset or repair Windows. That's how you troubleshoot a critical process died in Windows 11. If this fixed the blue screen, subscribe for TechSafe Demo Lab. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.